Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are gonna be unboxing my, what month are we in? May BoxyCharm, or I guess Ipsy box. That's gonna take some getting used to. So we're gonna be unboxing this on camera together. This came in last week, but I had just had surgery and I had a big cast on my nose, so I decided not to film it. And here we are now. So we're gonna unbox this together, see what I got, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So before we get into it, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really means a lot. You get 3 videos a week, so please make sure you're subscribed. But if you want to see me unbox this, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I am excited because I don't know what's in here this time. Like, I didn't fall for the pick a few products in your box because I guess you don't have to. So this is like all totally new to me. I have no idea what's in here. We're gonna see together. So please ignore, I know my makeup looks a little bit crazy right now. My nose is still like super big and swollen. Like, I'm only 10 days post-op, so my nose is insanely swollen right now. I'm sure you guys can tell. And I still have like stitches inside of my nose, and I have like a scar right here. So I don't want to put any product on my nose. I probably can, but I'm just really trying to be super careful with it and not mess anything up. Like, I really just want to let it heal, and I want the swelling to go down so bad. So I put makeup everywhere else on my face except for my nose, so it's probably like a little bit discolored. I tried as best as I could to do face products that wouldn't make this look too crazy, but I feel like you can still tell, so just ignore. And then the other thing, you can still see my little bruises under my eyes. They're almost gone, but they're still hanging on, unfortunately. I didn't really try too hard to cover them up, if I'm being totally honest. I just did like my regular makeup stuff, like foundation and concealer, because that is just the reality, you guys. Like, I had surgery, I have bruises. I'm not trying to cover them up too crazy. Like, it was a ride just to put a face of makeup on, if I'm being honest, because I really am just trying to let everything heal and do its thing. But I had to put a little makeup on for my video. So back to what you're here for, the Ipsy box. So we're just gonna start unboxing this and see what I got inside and then go from there. I opened the tab, but I didn't open the box. I swear to God, I did not peek. So we're gonna do it together. So I like how here it says to you, from you, because literally it's like my little surprise to myself. So opening this up, it just says, what does it say? Discover yourself. Very cute. And then let's see if they gave us a card this time with the products. No, where did they? Okay, they gave me a card with like myths and facts, but not a card with what is in the box. Like, that would be helpful, you guys, please. So we're gonna have to do it like last time and just look everything up online, which is kind of annoying. So I guess I will just grab whatever and we'll go from there. So first product is from TOYFACTORY. It's the DREAMSET 1 Highlighter Serum Palette with a built-in mirror, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide, 4 high payoff shades. Yeah, DREAMSET highlighter. It says, your serum and highlighter are now one. Blinding pigment blends hyaluronic acid with niacinamide and squalane for a glowy, soft, professional glam, keeping your glow moisturized, not cakey. Simple, right? A versatile skincare and makeup hybrid. It's DREAMSET, 4 iconic and blinding shades. So there's Metaverse, a bright soft white. Bisha is a shimmery gold. Date Night is a blinding baby pink, and Haloplex is a deep nude. It goes for $40, so not cheap, that's for sure. Let's see what it actually looks like inside. Oh my God. This is what it looks like. It's just like this like super light like baby pink, and it just has like the name in the front. Here's what it looks like inside. If I'm being totally honest, the packaging on the outside is cute, but the products themselves, like the way that they look in here, not really doing it for me. Like they kind of look dull. Let me swatch and see. They feel nice actually. Like they feel super creamy and they're very pigmented. I don't see myself using this like purpley shade if I'm being honest. I don't really like purple highlight on myself, but here's what they look like. So it's like the light white, the champagne, the purple, and then like the bronze. So they're definitely pigmented. Let me like take a brush and put some on my cheeks. I'm gonna do the champagne-y shade because that is definitely what I would grab for. Wow, that is like a beaming highlight. Normally I'd put some on the tip of my nose, but I am not doing that today. This is actually very nice on the cheeks. It definitely is a very like intense highlighter compared to some of the other ones that I have, but it's really pretty. Like I really like this champagne-y color. This pleasantly surprised me, so I'm gonna have to keep playing with this and I'll keep you guys posted, but for right now I'm interested. And then next up I'm grabbing Liss Beauty Love Yourself eyeshadow palette. So let me look that up really quick. $25 value. This baby packs a punch with 6 neutral shades that are perfect for any occasion. The high pigment formula glides on smoothly and blends like a dream, making it easy to create a variety of looks from subtle to dramatic. That's really all it says about it. And then like I said, it was like 25 bucks, I think. So let's open this up and see what this does. Okay, this has a little more life to it than the last palette. Let me see. It's gonna be kind of funny to swatch because these shades are so tiny. But there's 6 shades like they said. Let me see how much I can do here. These feel a little bit like scratchier than the highlighters, but they've got pigment. Okay, here are these swatched, like starting here. Oh my god, these are terrible. I'm so sorry. Okay, starting here down. So I really like this shade. I feel like that's a good blending shade. I really like this one because it's very pigmented, and I really like this last one because it's super cute and shimmery. So let me take just like a little blending brush and apply some of this like brown orangey color just to my crease. The pigment is there. I feel like I don't have to like keep dipping in for more product to get some payoff. And then let me just take this shimmery shade. Oh, that's super pigmented on the eye. The swatch, not so much, but on my eyes, wow. Oh my god, I did not expect that. Look at that. That's actually really, really pretty. I'm a fan. Super easy to use. It took me like 2 seconds to put both on my eyes. I feel like it's a very like foolproof, like quick out the door kind of palette. Do I see myself using the other shades a lot? Not really, but I do like what this is doing for me. So if you tend to gravitate towards these colors, you'll probably like this. So I will keep you guys posted on that. Next up, we have the YC Collection Wake and Shine Lip Balm. So let me see what this looks like. Oh my god, they really packaged this stuff this time. Ooh. Okay, let me like find this online and read it to you guys. It's $19, so it's a little pricey for this. It says this sheer tinted lip balm effortlessly moisturizes to maintain the look of fresh hydrated lips. Has aloe leaf extract, sodium hyaluronate, meadow foam seed oil. It effortlessly moisturizes to maintain the look of fresh, hydrated lips. Oh, I'm a mess today. The lightweight formula glides on smoothly for an even color that's comfortable to wear all day. It deeply hydrates thanks to the aloe vera extract and meadow foam seed oil, leaving visible, softer, smoother lips over time. That sounds very beautiful. And this is in the shade Smoothie. I love this color. Okay, let me like, I'm obsessed already. Look at that. I feel like this goes with what I have on my lips right now. It gave it a little bit of a pinkier tint, but I am loving it. Wow. It smells pretty good too. It smells like fruity and it feels super soft. I know I was already wearing a lip gloss, but this added gave it a beautiful pop of color and it feels really, really good. I'm obsessed. I really, really like this one. So I will keep you guys posted on that. Next up, we have, oh my gosh, SL Miss Glam. I love her so much. I wanted these brushes so bad when I was younger, you guys, and I don't know why I never bought them, but wow, my first SL Miss Glam brushes. That's so exciting. So these go for $38, pricey, but you get 3 brushes, so I guess it makes sense. It says, makeup brushes, treat yourself to this sweet trio of essential complexion brushes that sparkle in design and performance. Each of the highlight, blush, and powder brushes feature super soft, vegan, and cruelty-free bristles that help you achieve a seamlessly radiant face. So there's a tapered highlight brush, an angled brush, and a tapered powder brush. Okay, let's see. I am very excited about these, you guys. Like, I really love SL Miss Glam. If you don't follow her, just do it. Oh! Okay. So, I feel like these two I would use on my face. This I would probably use to blend out like an eye look. Like this, or just like smoke out your bottom lash line. Super, super soft. And look at the detail. Look at these little crystals or gems, whatever you want to call them. They're like pink and blue. It's gold and pink. It's just so cute. It feels so comfortable in my hands. I'm literally obsessed. This I could use for like a cream blush. Just like dab it in there and then like blend out on my cheeks. Feels super comfortable to use, super soft on my face. And then this one I feel like I would use for a powder because I like that it's like fluffy. So I'd probably dip this into a setting powder and just go across my face, or if I wanted a more concentrated area, just like my under eyes. But it feels really, really good. I'm so excited. I am always welcome to getting new brushes, so I'm super excited to try these. Thank you. Yay. I will keep you guys updated on what I think. And then I think we have one more. Yeah. Last but not least, we have, oh, I can't even try this for you guys. It's the Sleek Silk leave-in conditioner. So this goes for $18. It's on Ipsy. It says it's 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. That's a lot. It says, give your hair the ultimate pampering with this leave-in conditioner infused with jojoba oil and aloe extract. It works to strengthen and hydrate damaged hair while fighting frizz and restoring a luscious shine. Say goodbye to flaky buildup and residue, and hello to silky smooth locks that are ready to take on the day. And it says to work it into damp or dry hair and then style as usual. That sounds really nice, and for $18, like that is a steal for this much product too. So let me at least like smell this, feel this. It smells kind of coconutty and fruity at the same time. Like, it's kind of hard to describe, but it's a nice smell. I really like it. Let me like take some over here just to see what it feels like. And it's like a gel. It's not, when I think of a leave-in conditioner, I think of like a cream, but this is like a gel. I don't know if you could see, I put a little bit right here. It's thick, but it feels very watery. It's so weird, but it feels really good. I think this would definitely be hydrating. for my hair. I'm gonna have to try this out, you guys. I'm excited about that. So, wow. All the products in this box have been very, very exciting. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Very fun one. I am like happy about all of these, happy to continue using all of them. Like a very pleasantly surprising box. So I'm excited already to see what's in the next one. But 2 thumbs up for me, that's all. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you got in your boxes, if we're box twins or if you got something totally different. Let me know, I wanna know. Comment and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do for you. Give this a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.